Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tavey. And here's why you might be kind of skeptical about moving forward with this program, and why I'm going to show you why you shouldn't be skeptical. So maybe some of you who are watching this video today have been through a lot of different affiliate programs in the past that didn't work out, or maybe you're new to online marketing in general, and maybe kind of skeptical about moving forward with this because it's kind of risky. Okay, guys, but here's something I want to show you over here. You see that? 365-day money back guarantee right there. So, worst case scenario, if you were to move forward with this affiliate program and it didn't work out for you, there's a 360-day money back guarantee right there. Now, let me explain a little bit about Tabby D and what she has accomplished in her few years of doing digital marketing, guys. So she is pretty well known in the marketing area right now, guys. She's been in the industry for about 5 years, and has already helped thousands and thousands of people succeed online. And she created this program so new affiliates like you can succeed with it as well, guys. This is pretty much the landing page for her 10x income system. So if you scroll down, this is not a free program. It is $297. As you can see, there was a giant price cut of $997. Now it's only $297, guys, and this won't last long because this is a pretty new affiliate program. I actually have a link below in the description for anyone who wants to check this out themselves, guys. But there it is, 365-day money back guarantee. So there is no need to worry because there is literally no risk, guys. All right. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, drop a comment down below, guys. Your feedback is very much appreciated. All right. See you in the next video.